Hi friends, this is Faisal Ahmed from Faisal Ahmed Apple. Today we will learn how to customize font-end part on news portal. What we learn? How to customize font-end part on news portal. Just watch and copy paste. Okay. Previous video we will make dashboard. Okay. Here we will copy, not only copy, just make route route will be get functionality, part will be just slash, because slash means it's a first point of view. Here is the first view, right? So I will remove them, and here is the font-end part, and font-end part will be, what will be? Redirect on font-end folder, font-end file. Okay, font-end file, font-end folder, return which view file, which frontend dot frontend. That's mean okay. Just come here, check on frontend, name is frontend file. Okay, so what will our file, that's mean this is our file. Okay, so what we will do, just copy and paste here. Okay, just copy and paste here, and remove them, just use. So what happening here, we include our file, but we will include asset files. Okay, so what need to make first? Make first in here just one folder, name is will be frontend. Okay, and all asset file would include in this frontend folder, like that. Just wait and watch. I'm sorry, I'm searching frontend, and that's one. Okay, that's good. So what need first? First include our source file. So previous videos we will include here, same work here, just was. And what first of all we should include asset, now will be frontend, right? Frontend and slash. Okay, that's good. Just copy the file and assets. Okay, remove slash assets slash. Okay, that's good. I hope all will be good here. Wow, we include our file in our backend, so I don't know why is loading. So assets, images. I hope all is okay, but I don't know why. We should wait first. Image, logo, okay. It's loading, loading and loading. So problem is the script file, that's mean the vendor, okay, that's mean okay, double assets include here. Just which file? Okay, page number, line number, Ikashi. That's a point, right? Okay, sorry guys, sorry. There is the big problem if you remove by one click and search find. So remove them from our frontend part. I'm debugging the dot slash. I hope all will be good right now. So I have one same file. Where is assets the dot file? Where is the dot? Proper.js, page number 75. Like that. No, it's not easy. Okay, 1 I'm sorry, I'm removing the problem. 36. No. Here is scripting. Who is the problem? Okay guys, I'm searching the problem and I will share you the, just wait. I'm sorry guys, here's the alt file include frontend. Okay, so mainly the problem was the errors that were not include files once. So what I do, just I copy the file here, copy and there's a paste here and include all. Okay, now all is fine. Just was all is okay. Just taking some times, but all is okay. Okay, so next, what happened? Okay, that's it. Now what we will do? Now we will do just separate file, that's mean header and footer. Okay, go and do this. Just folder name will be partials and file name will be header.blade.php and footer.blade.php. okay, just copy them and start here, header here. So I'm copying the file and including there's a frontend partial.header and main file will include here. So I'm doing right now separate the folders. There's been file is okay. Search icon, that's mean it's a footer. What? Okay, yeah, that's a problem. So okay, now like this model, right? Okay, give up them. Just copy footer and paste here and include. Sorry guys, include and footer. Okay, that's good. Our main file will be included here. That's mean the main file is here and we just copy and this name will be content and we mistake one file. We mistake one file. Okay, just one more time please. And just include here and copy the main file. Okay, where is the main file? Please come. Yes, main file. Okay, I'm copying. Okay, that's good. Okay, very good. Now paste on here, just extend which file you want to extend here. We will frontend.app and whose name is content. We need to in section and paste the file here. So our file is already dynamic. The payloader are problem, just I'm removing the payloader. We will include them, but next. Okay, okay, the frontend file provide the Colorib website. If you go there, you will find lot of template, so get the template from color. Okay, no problem. See you the next video. Thank you so much.